Apple pie milkshake. Some chopped apples, cashews, soaked and drained almonds, and dates. Put them in a large blender jar. Grate some nutmeg over it. Add cinnamon and lots of cold water. Taste and adjust the dates and the spices. Add a small pinch of salt. Creamy. Add some chopped walnuts and raisins into a mug and pour the creamy shake over it. Add a few ice cubes. Actually, I should have put the ice cubes at the bottom and poured the shake over it. Enjoy! Visit Veganosaurus.com for more recipes and other vegan information. Thanks for watching. Bye.